Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to keyframe text in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new sequence. Add a text layer to your timeline by selecting the Type tool and clicking on the program monitor. Type your desired text. Next, navigate to the Effect Controls panel to begin modifying its properties. This is where all the magic happens for animation. Now, let's animate the text's position and scale. In the Effect Controls panel, find the Position and Scale properties under your text layer. Click the stopwatch icon next to each to enable keyframing. Move your playhead to the desired start point, set initial values, then move the playhead and adjust values again. Premiere Pro automatically creates keyframes, making your text move smoothly. Beyond position and scale, you can also animate opacity and rotation for more sophisticated effects. Find the opacity and rotation properties in Effect Controls. Enable keyframing for these just like before. Experiment with fading text in or out, or having it spin into place. To refine your animations, right-click on keyframes to adjust their interpolation, choosing options like Ease In or Ease Out for smoother motion. For even faster workflows, explore the animation presets available in the Effects panel or Essential Graphics panel. These can give you a great starting point. Remember to organize your timeline by grouping related text layers for complex animations, which helps maintain a clean project. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.